Welcome back to the Upnlive show. We have a very special guest here. My namesake is live with us today. Mr. Ricardo Rawal is here on the show today. How you doing, sir?
Yeah. I'm doing good. Thanks for having me on the show.
You know, me and you have been out reasoning for a while, and we've been talking about various things, and we like to get into that. But before we got that side, how has it been for you with the music? Because I haven't seen it for a while.
Well, so far things is progressing quite well. Got a single out, no roll out, getting good feedback. Got a track off my EP called Addicted, which I could see the ladies slowly gravitating to, getting good feedback on that as well. Another song off my EP which I'm getting good feedback as well is Birthday, kind of summer flavor thing, like, yeah, getting good feedback off that.
Okay, so we're in the height of middle of summer right here.
Yeah.
Of course, we watched the match yesterday. England get kicked out to the World Cup. And were you supporting England, or were you just one of them bandwagonists there?
No, I'm not a bandwagon. I was really supporting England, but I want them to do well because, you know, if England do well, it benefits all of us, isn't it? So I was hoping that they would do well. But
so who did I support? Deep down, who did I support?
Me, my team, I'm a Brazilian.
Brazil. I know you had the Brazilian train.
Yeah, is it?
But anyway, I was a Brazilian supporter as well. But because I reside here in England, you know, I'm saying, you know what? Let me just ride with the team for once. Because, them go on better than the previous years. And the so-called star generation didn't do as good as the young youth them. But one problem I have, Sterling play good, but he needs to score a goal. So, big up yourself, Sterling, but he needs to score a goal, right?
Yeah, definitely. I see that for sure, man. Is it?
So what's good for you for the summer? How have you been enjoying it?
Well, lovely weather. I like the weather and thing. You see me? Right now, I'm just kind of focusing on my music still, kind of putting my music out there, try to promote it as much as possible.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to get it not only in the UK, I'm trying to work promotion side in America as well with some of my friends them over there, Jamaica. Start doing a little promotion down there as well. So we're kind of putting the work for the summer still.
From summer?
For the summer, we're putting the work still.
Okay, so you're putting the work on summer now, so make sure when it's winter times coming, everything up and running. Are you not looking to capitalize on the European side of the market? Yeah,
definitely. Because for me personally, that's where I'm looking to go still. So like the work which I'm putting now is for next year summer on the European side.
Yeah.
Because you know, like for like you won't get no show for this summer on the European side. It's about next year.
So everything's for next year.
Yeah.
That makes sense. The music it's at a particular point in time, especially predominantly dancehall. There's lots of newcomers in the game.
Yeah.
Whole heap of new competition. Are you ready for that new wave? Because I see some names popping up. I see some names from Southside. I see Rara. He's particularly a new one. I see quite a few new of them. Are you threatened by this new recent surge of talent that's coming in the business, or you're not fazed by it?
No, we ain't fazed by that. Like, we strive on competition, you see me? Because I've been on the local circuit and I see what's going on. Not only just dancehall music alone, there's lots of talent coming through. Yeah. And I appreciate that still. You get me? Because I believe in talent. You see me? Like, not because I'm an artist. If I see someone who's got talent and I can support them, I will support them as well. You see me?
Let's talk a little bit about you. I see you with a brand. Is it called Starlight?
Yeah.
What is this about?
Basically, Starlight is an artist showcase where we give artists the opportunity to kind of showcase the talent, like from whatever genre you are. You can come on the show and do your thing. But for right now, we kind of take a break because when I look at it, I feel like I need to kind of restructure it a bit in terms of where, like, the artists that will come on the show for their music to be like people to hear it more, because not for these artists, you only hear the music when they come onto these show stuff, like
you want to hear them, so there's not really much of an outlet for them to actually get, because me and you was having this conversation where you're saying that the DJs are not really giving you that much justice. You wasn't even cussing me as well, sir. So how you don't play my song? But I'm trying to explain to you, and my defense is that sometimes because of the volume amount of artists that I'm around, surrounded by, sometimes you try as much as possible to help as much as you can, but somehow somebody always get overlooked.
Yeah.
And it's sad to say that you had a point where you said that we don't always play your songs.
Yeah.
But then there's another point that there's another 1,000 artists like you who are probably saying the same thing, and then the time slot allotted to us upcoming DJs is not that great, and we're always looking to try to make another booking, so to speak. So we're trying to make the best of what we have in the small time.
Yeah.
So this is the problem where we have in playing lots of new music and the newcomers that where you can't fit everybody in every time.
I do understand that, but for me personally, I think there's a niche there for even upcoming DJs as well to kind of focus on the upcoming talent, because as you said, there's loads of talent come up there, but what I see why a lot of DJs don't really see, they feel like if they play an upcoming artist, they're probably not going to get the feedback which they're going to get from playing like a more established act. But for me, if a DJ playing an upcoming talent artist who feel like say the song is quite good, they will get the feedback.
But the problem we have, I think I've said this quite a few times in different interviews, is the quality of the music, not the quality of the lyrics, so to speak. It's more the quality of the production side of the songs. They're not as up to par with, say, the mainstream players. The number one players. So you're playing an Alkaline or a Movada song. It's not necessarily that they're saying better bars than the newcomer artists, which sometimes they are, but not every time. But the problem we have is the difference in the quality of the production, where you might be playing something where it's mixed properly, sounding good, and then you play another upcoming artist where it's not as acceptable. So I'm thinking in that sense, something is falling short there.
Yeah, I do understand that side of the thing.
But as I say, it's new, so they probably won't have the budget to do that.
But
this is where we need to find a gap. I'll try to bridge that gap. I think the new artists, them, if you can take it as a constructive criticism, if you can invest more in the production side of this. And the reason I'm going to use a perfect example of you. There's a particular artist called Shanty Force. He has a lot of songs, but he's recently done a new song called Just Now. And the song is a good song, don't get me wrong, but it's been played more so than any other song. The reason being is the production on that song, you can clearly hear it, that it matches with anything that's coming out from the main players of Jamaica. So it doesn't kind of drop the feel of the music when it's played into the clubs or in the parties. That's my opinion. Maybe I could be wrong. Yeah,
well, I do understand that side of the thing, because for me as well, I'm one of the biggest critics of my material. So if my song play, I kind of gauge it with the song that play before it. So if the level drop, I know, like, listen, I'll phone up my engineer and tell him, like, listen, I'm not happy with that, because I play my song in the party and the level of my song is below the level of the song which I played previously.
Which is a very good thing to do.
Yeah. So I do understand that side of the thing still. Yeah, but given that as well, is me like the gap is bridging now still.
It is bridging.
See that, yeah.
So what's next for Mr. Rawal?
Well, for me right now, I'm just focusing on just promoting the material which I got. I got a few songs coming out as well, like what I've done with some people. Which I'm looking. A song called My Life that's coming out in August, so I'm waiting for that as well. And I got a few singles which I'm working on, but for right now I'm just working with what I got, just promoting with what I got still. That
makes sense. And I can see you going to great things, so you're persistent, and I hope you do start back the Starlight thing, because it was a very good outlet, especially for the artists in around you. And I can see you as a role model for some of them, which some may not see it the same way, but people on the outside looking in see that. And hopefully you can get to start with that as well, all right?
No, definitely. We're going to start back, and we have a next thing again, which you're going to do, just a one-off thing. That's on the 5th of August. We'll call it like talent search. So it doesn't matter if you sing, rap, DJ, or dance, or whatever. You can just come on that night and just showcase your thing. Yeah. So that's the next thing coming up still.
So where can people find you and find your music on social media?
Well, you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, but right now I'm kind of focusing on my Spotify. So it's Ricardo Rawal Music on Spotify. Go follow me, be a monthly listener, and also on YouTube, follow my channel Ricardo Rawal Music as well. So check me out.
That's right. And remember, you can follow us for the show at the Upnlive Show on Instagram, Facebook, and also on YouTube. Remember, like and subscribe. Also, you can log on to our website, that's www.worldmag.com, and you can see all the previous shows that we've done as well. Also, catch us on Flames Radio each and every Wednesday, 8 p.m. On behalf of myself, DJ Rick, Dragon Allstar, Fire Q, and the Little Brown Rasta, World Mag Entertainment. Peace, follow us, and we are out.
Yeah. Read him up. You don't know the Royal, you know? Upnlive. not the Royal. And the Upnlive show, big up DJ Rick and the Likkle Brown was swirl maga, we tell them, listen, I'm gonna party like every day is my birthday. I'm gonna party like every day is my birthday. Because life go short, so me a full joy mind. Party all night, yeah, we have a good time. From sundown straight back to sunrise. Party, we a party, day and night. Life short, so me no eat up in a house. Work and party, when me step out, hustle all day. Party all night, from me stepping at the club, that a straight party. When I stand up in a corner, no party. Bub up on a girl, yeah, we started. Me say, lick up and lick up, so we party. We a shell down the bar, that I might listen when we roll out. I be a gal who I know we when we roll out. Yeah, 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 yeah. Roll up in the mercs, know what they send lady. A gal a pre-weed, them want know we. See it like honey, them swarm we like bee. Love off we style, them want the action. Legs divide, work out the fraction. See it addition, no subtraction. Them love it, we give them satisfaction. Cause when we roll out, be a gal who I know we when we roll out. Yeah, 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 yeah. I can't tell you them something. I'm addicted to your love, girl. I'm addicted to your love. You have the glow when you love. I'm me alone for you get your love. True. I'm addicted to your love, girl. I'm addicted to your love. Me love your kiss and your hugs. How you alone for you get my stepping on the street? Me no skin teeth, food off you eat, beer face me do it. Me no chase, me left now in a face, no fist fighter. And me tell them when me stepping on the street, we no left it in a full suit, ready feel anchana. How we lock down the, how we not take back shot from them violate. Listen. I remember the days when dance did nice. So man a wine pa man and nobody na fight. Man a begin his red stripe and see no inner sight. Party nights we going home daylight. The tune a play, bus a blank in the sky. Gyal a wine and go down. You know them no shy, but he rider away. Watch the gyal them a. Hey, hey, me say party bad boy mash up we party. Them na dance, na look a shawty. In a full suit a black, them na party. Likkle thing, want them starty. Hey, party bad boy mash up we party. Them nah dance, nah look a shawty. In a full suit of black, them nah party. Likkle think a here walk on. Me say nowadays, nobody nah party. Who nah mag them a pose like man the king. Man in a full suit of black a pose like ninja. In a dark corner where you can't enter. Everybody will a spot and everyone another party done 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock them enter. Hey, can't understand nowadays bad man. See them enemy, every day them nah do what them. But when them buck up in a party, a bang bang bang. So me know say them a party bad man, hey. Party bad boy mash up with party. Them nah dance, nah look a shawty. You know, hey, listen, hey. Before you judge me, take a walk in on me shoes if you no mind sharp. Your life you lose, cause you never walk the road when me walk. So why you passing them dirty remarks? Might see me a smiling and my heart me a cry when me look back. I know me come from, Mungo got the low know how me go through, so now me a rise. Why you a fight me? The pain and frustration make me stronger. Oh, them fight me real longer. Believing in myself, me them can't conquer. Some want to know DJ Rick. How with them bad mind we fuck up? Mad. Yeah, I like